It's a glorious sunny Sunday morning in the northeast of England, so we thought we'd get the cameras out as there was a local motorcycle trials event being held just round the corner from where I live. It's a chance for all the big boys and girls to get the toys out and go and have some fun in the sun. Welcome to the channel, everybody. And if you're watching the video because you're thinking about getting into trials, later on towards the end I do walk you through a section and give you the basics of what trials is all about. But for now we'll just sit back and we'll enjoy the video, and I shall speak to you later. Right through. Definitely one of the harder sections. This is part of the Northeast Centre trials. Today's event is run by Castleside Trials Club. And the venue we at today is Bedburn. So for anybody who's new to trials, this is your start gate. We're at section 8 at the minute, and you have a series of flags to go through. The section is observed. You do have an observer, and the idea is to negotiate between the flags, and the object of trials is the least points you have. The closer to 0, the better you are, unlike some other sports. But the riders would negotiate the way over each and every obstacle, keeping yourselves right in the markers. And then you've got different coloured markers. You've got white. The white markers are for the easy riders, or easier riders should I say. The red and blues, they're your standard clubman markers. So the clubmen would come up through this area, and then they would need to get up there, and there's the section ends 8. And you're meant to do this all with not putting your feet down. You get 1 point for every time you put your foot down, with a maximum of 3 points. After that you can put your feet down as many times as possible, but if you stop or if you fall off, that's a 5. And as you can see here, you have the yellow markers, and that's the expert route. Just in case you're a bit unfamiliar of how trials works, I can go into it a bit deeper if you'd like me to. Just leave comments down below if you're either thinking of starting trials or you're wondering what trials is all about. Comment down below and let me know. Here's one of the first clubman riders coming through. Nice little ride there from one of the clubman riders. A few other riders now walking the sections. You do have an observer on these sections, and he marks everybody's points down as they go through. Well advisable to walk the sections first before you actually ride them, so you can see where you're going, which flags you need to go through and everything. Now that lad there, he's on the easier course, so he has a different set of markers to go through. He follows the whites, and I think most of these lads are on the easy course. Another clubman rider coming. And out. Nice little old machine there. Most of the lads generally having a good ride on this section. It's not too testing this section. Watch your back, Steve. Clubman riders coming through now, like. Another nice old bike coming through. Now we've got an expert rider coming through, so they have a bit of a different route. Very nice ride. That was the first of the experts through.
We just need to look at this, Chris.
Another nice ride. That's us coming to the end of the video now. It's just a short video for the basic look into a local trials event on what you need to do and what happens. I will include links down below for some more information, so check that out. All the riders enjoyed themselves, and that's what it's all about. I enjoyed doing the filming. It's not my usual videos where I would put on YouTube, but I enjoyed it nonetheless. Had great fun and got plenty of fresh air. If you have any questions or any comments, please put them down below. I'll try to answer them the best I can. And if you've enjoyed the video, please hit the like button as it helps out the channel massively. And thank yous all for watching. You never know, I could be coming to a trials near you. See you in the next ones.